Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Abaddon from the new Kong Survivor game. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Abaddon from Kong Survivor Instincts, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to curve a little line in. And then we're going to do the same thing, leave a little bit of space, just kind of curve it down and in. Next, we're going to bring this line up and down, and then this line up and down. And we're going to make a little circle here and a little circle here. Next, we're going to kind of connect this, and we'll do the same thing here, just kind of connect this. And we'll make a line that curves around the top of each eye. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down, up and down. Then we're going to make these two big fangs that just go down and up. Kind of curve a line around the top of each one. We'll bring a little line up. We'll connect this, and then we'll make two lines that come down. Next, I'm going to bring this light out and in, out and in. I'm going to go down and up, down and up, down and up. Same thing, down and up, down and up, down and up. Let's bring this line up and in, up and in. They'll make another line that's just going to kind of come up on each side. Next, we'll go down and up, kind of like a V shape. We'll kind of shape it around. Then we'll come up on each side. And then we'll just kind of bring these lines down. Make these lines kind of come up and in. And we're just going to kind of curve this line around. It's almost going to kind of look like the nose of a skull. Next, I'm going to bring this line over and then down. And then same thing here, bring this line over and down. I'll make a couple lines like this on each side. Next, we're going to bring this up and then in. And then same thing here, kind of bring this up and then in. Next, we'll make a couple little curved lines on each side. And then we'll make a couple more little kind of lines like this. We'll make this kind of come up to here. Make this come up to here. Bring this kind of up and down, up and down. And we'll kind of curve these here. Next, we're going to bring this line up and then down here. So you can see it's kind of got that skull shape. Now, we're going to make the legs. So we're going to start here. We're just going to kind of go down. Then I'll bring this up and back to here. Same thing, bring this down. We're going to go up and then back to here. We'll make this kind of come out and then up. We can do that same thing here, kind of down and then up. Then we'll make these kind of angle in a little bit, give a little more of that spider look to it, kind of just angle in. Do another line here that goes down and up, down and up. Bring this line up and down. We do that here, up and down. And this time we'll kind of curve this down a little bit. Bring it down and around. Bring this down and around. Make another one that's going to kind of come in like this. Next, I'm going to make another line here and another one here. Then we'll make a small one back here on each side. This one we're just going to bring down and bring down. And then we'll make some small little legs here. And then those other ones are going to be kind of so far back that you wouldn't really see them. Next, I want to come in here and add some of the different details. I'm going to make some lines that just kind of come down here. Make a couple little lines here, some little lines across. We'll make some lines around the eyes here. And a couple broken lines on the fangs. We'll make some little lines here just to kind of show some detail. And then a couple little bumps here. We're going to make some broken lines kind of right along the legs here. Just kind of add a little bit of texture and detail. So I'm just kind of making these broken lines coming all along here. We want to do this on all of them. We can make more lines in here. And then a couple more lines across the back and around these shapes here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Abaddon from the Kong Survivor series. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.